back, head, and arms on the wall. Think of gliding up and back down. Keep everything touching the wall as you move. Feel the shoulder blades drop, chest open, and posture stack tall. 10 slow reps is all it takes to wake up the upper back and tone.
Hands behind your head, core tight. Lift the knee out to the side and crunch the elbow down, just like you're trying to pinch something at your waist. Exhale on the way down. Inhale as you rise. Keep the movement controlled, no swinging. Feel that squeeze through the side of your waist. That's your oblique firing up and burning.
Tiptoe squat pulses. Heels up, chest tall. Little drops, little lifts. Keep your weight on the balls of the feet and squeeze the glutes every time you come up. Calves should be feeling it now. Stay with me. Last 5, 4, 3.
Arms out, palms down, tiny circles as fast as you can. 30 seconds right here. Breathe. Keep those shoulders low, chest proud. You're already feeling it. I know. Halfway. Reverse. Quick. Controlled. Fire in those arms means it's working. Last 5.
Step back, drop the knee, and reach tall. This reverse lunge reach strengthens legs and opens the body at the same time. Keep your front knee stacked right over your ankle, core tight, crown of the head lifting. Drive through that front heel to stand and switch. Try 10 reps each side.
Sit tall on the sit bones, lift both legs, and hold. Arms reach forward, shoulders away from the ears. Breathe into the belly as you keep the chest proud. Core stays tight, imagine zipping the ribs to the hips. Try not to let the lower back round. Feeling strong? Straighten the legs for an extra challenge. Stay with it. 5, 4.
Sit strong against that wall. Knees at 90. Ready? Lift those heels. Up and down. Keep breathing. Calves are firing, quads and glutes holding you steady. Stay low. Drive through the balls of your feet. Nice and controlled. That's it. Heels high.
Hinge forward, core tight, right leg back and lifted. We're pulsing for 12, tiny, controlled. Ready? Let's go. Squeeze at the top every time. Keep the hips squared to the ground. That's 4. 5. Feel that glute fire up. 8, little higher. 9, 10, almost there. 11.
Number 9, the neck slim stretch. Float your head from side to side. Slowly, feel the muscles along your jaw and shoulders lengthen as tension melts away. Keep the movement smooth, like water rocking in a glass. Breathe in as you rise, breathe out as you roll. Just 2 mindful minutes reduce time.
Sit tall, feet together. Hold on to those toes and start to gently pulse the knees up and down. Keep the movement small and steady, thinking about drawing the knees toward the floor. Spine long, chest lifted. We go for 10 pulses here. Feel those inner thighs wake up. The smaller the move, the bigger.
Side leg lift. Bring it up, flex the foot, hold. Core tight, shoulders right over the hips. Nice and tall. Feel that outer hip catch fire. 10 seconds. Breathe. Keep that leg long. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and
dip. Hands close to your hips, core tight. Let's go for 12. 1, press up slow. 2, shoulders away from the ears. 3, nice and steady. 4, feel the backs of the arms working. 5, keep that chest lifted. 6, halfway. 7, breathe. 8.
March it out and add that twist. Knee up, rotate through your waist. Think tall, abs tight. Each rep fires up the obliques and starts melting belly fat without the impact. Let your arms move naturally, like you're wringing out your core. Breathe in on the center, exhale with the twist. Stay light on your feet.
Plant one foot, lift the other, and drive your hips up. Squeeze your glutes. Think of pushing the ceiling away with that straight leg. Lower slow, keep control, and fire back up. This move wakes up the backside and supports your lower back. Hold for a beat at the top, then
let's knock out 15 wall push-ups. Hands just wider than shoulders, body in one line. Lower in, press tall, that's 1. Keep wrist neutral, chest leading. Breathe out as you push. Nice and controlled, no rush. Last 2 and 1. Done. Chest lifted, arms fired up.
Heel touch crunch, number 16. Lie back, knees bent, core tight. Lift your shoulders just off the mat. Exhale as you reach for the right heel, feel the side squeeze. Back to center, then tap the left. Small motion, big.
Rise up tall, heels off the ground. Hold right here. Calves lit, core tight. Notice how the ankles stay stacked under the hip. Breathe. This is where balance builds. Every second counts. Lower slow, no drop. Stronger legs, steadier stance. Done.
Feet under hips, stand tall. Big breath in, reach the arms all the way up. Interlace the fingers, push your palms to the sky. Lean to the right, lengthen that left side. Keep the chest open, back to center. Now over to the left, stretch that right waist long, return to center. Lower the arms, shake.
High plank, shoulders stacked. Drive one knee forward under control, then switch. No bouncing. Core stays tight, hips level, breathe. Think slow and strong, like you're pulling through mud. Every rep torches the core and burns fat without a single jump.
Standing forward fold. Let gravity do the work here. Soften the knees and let your spine pour toward the earth. With every exhale, fold a little deeper. Feel the stretch ripple through the hamstrings and calves, blood flowing freely toward your head. Stay.
Modified side plank, knee down. Forearm under shoulder, top leg long, hips lifted. Ready? Let's dip. Lower and lift. 1, 2, 3. Think waist up and away from the floor. 4, 5. Keep shoulders stacked. 6. Last one. Hold. Nice.
Take a deep breath in. Soften your knees. Let the weight pour into your feet. As you exhale, begin drawing a slow circle with your hips. Forward, to the side.
Hands on your hips, feet grounded. Take a breath in. As you exhale, gently lean your chest upward and back, lengthening through the front of your body. Keep the bend easy, no pinching. Let your head follow your gaze toward the sky. Breathe here for a moment. Notice how your lower back softens.
Hug the knee in close. Feel that space open behind the hip. Now draw the navel in toward the spine. Lower belly wakes up right here. Breathe. Gently switch sides. Lift tall through the crown as you hug the shin. Notice that support deep in the core. Rock it a little if it feels good. Then set the foot down with control.
Sit tall, legs long in front of you. Bring your right foot across, planting it outside the left thigh. Right hand behind for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, hug the knee and twist to the right. Draw the belly in, lift through the chest.
This is number 29, arm swing burn. Plant the feet, soft knees, and drive those arms front to back as fast as you can. Think loose shoulders, tight core. Every swing is stoking that upper body furnace. Keep breathing, stay tall. You're over halfway. Feel the heat build through your arms, chest, and back.
Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, let them float down. That's 1. Feel the air expand your ribs, lift your energy. Exhale, soften the shoulders, let it go. Keep the rhythm, just you and your breath. Stress melts with every exhale. Fresh oxygen.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tip, give it a thumbs up. Got a question or a healthy hack of your own? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss our daily health tips. Stay well, keep thriving, and we'll see you next time.